Good morning. Welcome back to another episode of Bearded Bassin and the OG Pops.
Hey, time for another butt whooping.
No. We're out here, just launched at Paradise. Gonna stay down on this end of the river. Yeah, it's Friday, April 12th? I don't know. Whatever that Friday is next to April 12th.
Yeah.
And let's see, water temp right now sitting at 59.7, so a little bit cooler than I thought. We've had a couple cooler nights and some crazy windy conditions. It was supposed to be absolutely howling today, and it's probably going to pick up in a little bit, but right now it's not too bad. There's a little bit of chop on the water, but just perfect. Oh, frick! I didn't put in my plug.
He didn't put the plug in.
Ah! Yeah. Yep. Yeah, I just did that. Yep, right there.
Yep.
Pops forgot to put the plug in, per usual. He knows it's his job. It ain't my job to remember the plug in my own boat, you know? It's definitely his job, but no. Gonna wait for that water to drain and then get back out there. All right, so I've done two stupid things so far today. Number one,
he brought his dad fishing.
Brought my dad fish. Okay, three stupid things. Number one, brought my dad fishing. Number two, dad forgot to put the plug in. No, just kidding, that was my fault. And I forgot all my GoPro batteries. So, it looks like the stationary guy right there on the driver's console is the only one you guys will get today. So hopefully it doesn't get too crazy windy. Hopefully the audio turns out and hopefully we catch some giants. That's probably gonna be the key today, is we're probably gonna catch some giants because that's usually what happens when you forget stuff and the day doesn't go so well. So stay tuned. Get to fishing. There we go.
You one? Nice.
Good one, too. Maybe.
Oh yeah. How you turn this on?
Fine. This one's recorded.
Oh, is it? You need a net? Nice little 2-pounder. 2.5-pounder or so.
There we go.
Yeah.
Good start to the day. There we go. Good start to the day. Nice little 2-pounder on the MR6. It's a new Bill Lewis, Mark Daniels Jr. special right there. Solid fish.
Scale, let's see where he goes.
Put him on the scale, we'll see what it goes.
That one we'll just keep adding.
One. 191 for
What?
the first fish. That's
Really?
it.
Looks better than that.
Yeah, it does. Okay, 191, first fish of the day.
Looks better.
Need the net? No, it's a good fish. On the outside.
Yeah. Way out here.
Show that one to the camera. Yeah. Once again,
Start.
it's a start, and Dad catches a good one.
Not more than 2 pounds, I don't think.
No.
Yeah.
Man, you had me hyped with that hook set, dude.
He freaking like jerked the rod out of my hand. A whopping freaking 213, 218.
218.
Yeah.
It's a start. Windy is crazy, but been a while. That one was on white trick worm. Alright, well, just got the boat back in the garage. Today was a little brutal. I knew it was going to be windy. I didn't expect for it to be as windy as it was. We launched out of Paradise Point, planned on staying in whites and disappointment most of the day, and just barely scraped away a limit today. Did run to some of the flooded islands, hoping that they were protected from the wind. It was still really difficult to see fish on beds, and we looked at a lot of areas for bed fish, and it's going to be interesting to see how the Wild West do April 13th tomorrow. If I get this video out tonight, it's going to be interesting to see how it plays out, because the water temp dropped a good 3 to 5 degrees, and we ran in way backs of cuts. We saw lots of beds, but they were all vacant, not a single fish on a bed. I think I caught one bed fish today, and it was random. And yeah, those water temps, man, the warmest water temp I saw today was 62 degrees. So the cold nights and this wind, this cold chilly wind, just did not help out the bite today. We barely scraped away a limit, probably pretty crappy 8-10 pound limit, but still a day on the water, still trying to figure it out. Any day now, the weather's gonna get good. It's gonna be, you know, a lights out bite on the Delta. It's not like that right now, but you got to put your time in, man. You got to get out on the water. You got to put your time in. You got to have days that you suck, so that the days that you have that are good really count. So I'm excited to get back out there. We got BBT coming up on the 20th. Watching Facebook Live of the One Bass Open right now up there at Clear Lake, and man, it's just lights out up there. 41-pound bag weighed in on the first day. Yeah, should have been up at Clear Lake this weekend and not the Delta, because man, it was pretty brutal out there. The wind just killed it. My face is hurting right now. It's probably wind burned. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you truly enjoyed it. I love doing this for you guys. I mean, I have a blast. If I didn't have a YouTube channel, I'd still be filming while I'm out fishing. But yeah, I'm having a good time. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little bell so you're notified when videos come out, and leave a comment down in the description down below. Leave a comment. Tell me what's up. I've seen a couple people out on the water, gave them a high five. Not really air five, but yeah, I appreciate it whenever you guys see me out in the water. Say what's up. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, any cast can be a giant. Peace.